Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices. Look for the 15-pin D-sub VGA port on your PC and monitor because mismatched ports stop the process. Once done, power everything off to protect hardware, unplug power cords if necessary, and lay the VGA cable flat so pins stay safe. Make sure you can reach the monitor's input selector. Many displays need you to choose VGA manually. If the monitor has multiple inputs, note which one is labeled VGA and have a small screwdriver ready for the connector screws. Next, align the VGA plug's pins with the monitor port. You'll feel it seat with a small click. Do not force it, because bent pins are common. Once seated, hand thread both thumb screws until snug, then use a screwdriver for a quarter turn to secure without over-tightening. Route the cable so it avoids pinch points, tie with a cable tie if needed, and connect the other end to the PC the same way. Make sure the cable runs where it won't be yanked when you move the monitor or chair. Finally, power on the monitor first and select the VGA input if the display doesn't auto-detect. Then boot your computer so the graphics card can send a signal. If you get no image, power down, reseat both ends and verify screws are snug. Loose connections are often the cause. Once done, test a different VGA cable or a known working adapter to isolate the fault. If you still see no signal, check the PC's display settings or try another monitor to determine whether the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.